Hello, in front of me I have got NOKIA G22. In this video I'll show you how to find and manage display settings. In the beginning, let's go to settings and enter display. Right here we've got all settings for our display. Let's start with the top of the list, where we can change display brightness level, enable or disable adaptive brightness, and manage lock screen preferences, like privacy on lock screen, at a glance, add users from lock screen, add text on lock screen, show wallet, show device controls, always show time and info, double tap to check phone, leave to check phone, and wake screen for notifications. Next, we can change screen timeout between 15 seconds and 30 minutes, and also enable or disable screen attention function. Then we can enable or disable dark theme and schedule it. Next, we can change font size, display size, enable or disable night light, schedule it, and change its intensity. Then we can change white balance, screen refresh rate, enable or disable auto rotate screen, and set screensaver. And that's basically it for display settings. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.